I've got a Singer. It's a commercial model 24-7. Serial number is G1748274. It's a commercial chain stitch sewing machine. I ran one set of stitch already, and I'm going to show you the machine doing it. It's got a lot of age to it. It's been repainted at one time, but I went over everything and it's good working order. Now the motor I have it hooked up to is just for demonstration purposes only. This is supposed to be in a commercial table. So let me show you. It's stitching. See, it's a high-speed machine. And there you go, symmetrical on top, and also symmetrical on the bottom. And there you have it.